Hi students, welcome to another video of Smartly Learn. In this video, let's find the solution for the first question in exercise 9.2. A boy throws a coin. He is expected to receive 2 rupees for getting a tail and rupees 10 for getting a head. Find his expectation or mean receipt. So first let's write out the formula. So E of x is nothing but sum of xi into pi. So let's first list out what is a different probability. So when he throws a coin, h is going to be equal to head. So find out what is that probability. When you toss a coin, the probability of head is going to be 1 by 2. Now when you toss a coin, the other option is receiving a tail. That's probability is also equal to 1 by 2. So in this case, xi in both the cases is going to be equal to, one is going to be the tail, the other is going to be the head. So I'm marking the head and tail. The probability values are 1 by 2. Remember, he gets 2 rupees if he is going to get a tail. So here the x is going to be equal to 2 and he's going to get a 10 rupees when he's going to get a head. So in this case, this is equal to 10. Now let's calculate what is E of x. So E of x in this case is going to be 1 by 2 into 10 plus 1 by 2 into 2. So let's simplify this value. So here 10 divided by 2, this is going to be equal to 5 plus 2 divided by 2 is going to be 1. So his expected mean receipt value is going to be equal to rupees 6. In the next video, we will find the solution for the second question in this exercise. See you in the next video. Bye.